Traders, welcome to the channel. Today I have not just a story for you, but a real case that proves you can achieve truly impressive results with the right tool. $47,000 in profit in just 1 month, that's exactly how much I managed to earn trading with a trading robot. And you know what's most interesting? It happened without constantly sitting in front of the monitor, without sleepless nights, without endless searching for entry points. It was a calm, controlled process in which my trading assistant did most of the work for me. And if you've been looking for a way to achieve a stable, high income from trading but didn't know where to start or how to scale up, then stay until the end, because I'll explain how this system works, why it generates profit every day, and how you can get started today. In the meantime, go ahead and like this video and subscribe while I open my first trade. I've already selected the asset. We choose it on the trading robot, set the required expiration time, which in this case is 1 minute, and receive a ready trading signal. So right away, I open a trade for a price increase, and now I'll just wait for it to finish. Now, regarding how to get this trading robot for yourself, how to get access to this system, I've left a link in the description. You can get access to the bot for free simply by activating it for yourself and start earning. Plus, you'll also find a Telegram channel there, where every day you'll get signals, trade analyses, strategies, and my live trading journal. And let's go over things step by step. When I created this trading robot, I already had a lot of trading experience. I had a clear understanding of how the market moves, how the structure works, and how the price reacts to liquidity and news. But I also saw how easily a person can give in to emotions and ruin their statistics because of it. And I think if you've already tried trading, I'm sure you know exactly how emotions, fatigue, overconfidence, or on the contrary, the fear of missing out, all of these things interfere with consistency. I decided that since we now have access to such technologies, why not put all my accumulated experience into an algorithm that would think like me, only faster and more accurately. That's actually how my trading robot was born. And it doesn't just generate signals, it analyzes the market like a professional. It uses machine learning, evaluates price behavior, monitors context, takes into account macroeconomic data, volatility, volumes, and even the strength of impulses. Where a human would hesitate, the bot is already making a decision. And all of this happens in milliseconds. It processes massive amounts of data and provides an entry point accurate to the second. Why is this important? Because in a volatile market, timing is everything. One good entry can bring in 4%, while a single wrong move can drag you into a drawdown. And my trading bot is designed to avoid breakdowns, operate based on confirmed scenarios, and act only when the odds are in our favor. That's exactly why its trades close in profit on 9 times out of 10. And now, look, our first trade has already been completed. We've made a profit on it, and accordingly, our first earnings. So, as usual, let's not waste time or miss any opportunities. Let's update the trading bot and move on to selecting the next asset. Alright, let's go with classic currency pairs this time. Now we choose the asset on the broker's platform pick the one with the highest payout percentage, and then select the same currency pair from the trading bot's list. We set the expiration time and receive a ready-made signal. This one is a sell signal predicting a price decrease. So I immediately opened the trade for a price drop, and now I'll wait for it to finish. In the meantime, I'll tell you how I managed to make $47,000 in a month. It's all very transparent. I use a two-phase trading model. My first session is in the morning, up to 5 trades based on clear signals, and the second is in the evening. Another 3 or 4 positions, 5 at most. The average amount per trade is 3 to 5% of my deposit. At the same time, I review my results every week. I withdraw some funds and leave some for short reinvestment, and this gives me flexibility, control, and most importantly, predictability. I don't risk everything, I don't guess, and I don't run from monitor to monitor. I simply launch the trading robot, check the signals, and watch my deposit grow. This is exactly the approach I recommend to you as well. Even if you only have $100 to start with discipline, the right strategy, and a trading robot as your assistant, you can first reach 1,000 a month, then 1,000 a week, and eventually the level you could only dream of. The main thing is not to try to complicate everything. Right now, you don't need to study dozens of strategies, review tons of charts, or jump between indicators. All of that is already built into the bot's algorithm. So you get a ready-made, tested, open, and profitable tool. And if you follow the link in the description, you can connect to my trading robot for free. No subscriptions, no attachments. You just take it and use it. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel where I post daily trade reports, share strategies, and explain how to strengthen signals, manage risks, and get the most out of every trading session. There I show everything in practice. No fluff, no hype, just working models. But it's also important to understand that trading is not a lottery, it's a system. And if you have the right system in your hands, you're one step ahead of the majority. While others are guessing, you can lock in profits, just like I do. I've already locked in profit on the second trade. It closed with a positive result. So now there's profit from both open trades. So as I wrap up today's video, don't waste any time. Connect your trading robot, join my Telegram channel, and be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next episode. See you soon. Bye.